Welcome to the ADSANTEC presentation showing a 4-channel test solution for 100 gigabit Ethernet operating at 25 gigabaud per channel in PAM4 format. As you can see, this system is expandable. Every device shown here can be used by itself or together with the rest and more. I'm going to pass it on to Andre from ADSANTEC to explain to us a little bit more detail about the system, how everything works, and the possible configurations. Andre, take it away.
Hi, my name is Andre. I work at ADSANTEC. I'm going to be talking about the setup in a little bit more detail. First of all, I'd like to mention that every box you see here is operated by this GUI right here on the screen. You can install it on your PC, desktop, laptop, whichever you prefer. Now we start with the ADSANTEC Frequency Synthesizer. It can create any frequency between 500 MHz and 32 GHz. The output of the frequency synthesizer is differential, and we send it to an ADSANTEC differential clock and data splitter. Now this part takes a differential input and creates 3 identical differential outputs. However, for this setup we do not need differential outputs. We're using them single-endedly because we don't care about phase difference. Now 4 of those are going to go to ADSANTEC Pre-Emphasis Amplifiers, and the 5th one is going to go to the ADSANTEC PRBS 45 generator. The PRBS 45 generator takes a high-speed reference clock and creates a PRBS output up to 45 gigabits per second. It has a high-speed clock output to match the PRBS output. It has the synchronizer output for your oscilloscope trigger, and obviously it has the high-speed PRBS outputs as well. Now each of those single-endedly is being sent to another 2 of ADSANTEC's clock and data splitters. Single-ended. Now we take 2 differential outputs from this one, 2 differential outputs from this one, and we send them each to an ADSANTEC Pre-Emphasis Amplifier, box 4 in total. Each one of those creates a PAM4 type signal at 25 gigabaud. Total, we have 100 gigabit per second system. We can see 2 of those outputs on the scope. Unfortunately, our scope is only 2-channel. If we had a 4-channel, you would see 4 of those. So basically, to recap, we create a high-speed clock. We're using this clock to generate a PRBS signal, which is being split into 4 ways, 1 to each ADSANTEC Pre-Emphasis Amplifier, and each of those creates a PAM4 25 gigabaud data signal.
Now Andre is going to take us and show us an example of how we can put multiple boxes into one rack mountable enclosure per custom configuration or as the customer sees fit to fit their needs. Andre, would you please show us that enclosure?
Obviously this is a test setup, so it will look much better if we know your specifications, the number of channels you need, the frequency that you need, everything. We can put it in a box like this. It can be rack mounted. We can set up this, we can create this, design this any way you see fit.
And the connectors can be connected inside the box so that you only have outputs coming out.
Everything will be connected inside the box. You will only see the stuff that you need outside.
Okay. This concludes our presentation. For any questions, you can visit www.adsantec.com. You can see data sheets for every single instrument device you see here, or you can call us for any questions. Thank you very much for watching our presentation.